In this video, I'm going to show you how to use rewards in your lessons in Koala Go. This is a fantastic way to celebrate your students' achievements throughout the class. So you'll find this reward button in the top left corner on the whiteboard. You'll also find it at the bottom of the screen in the co-browser and during playground. There are several different kinds of rewards in Koala Go. Personally, I use the star reward the most. Whenever my students complete an activity in the Abridge Academy lessons and one of those automated trophy things pop up in class, I use this as a little reminder to issue my students with a star. You'll notice that these stars accumulate next to the reward button, so your student can collect stars throughout the class. The next kind of reward I love to use is the Confetti reward. This is a really fun way to celebrate, particularly when you've done a fun game or some kind of review activity, and I like to think of it as a little bit more special than a star. And then the final kind of reward here is the gem reward. So gems are a kind of in-classroom currency within Koala Go. Your students can collect gems throughout their classes with you, and they accumulate throughout all of their lessons. So when they come again next week, they'll still have that same gem balance in their account. When they've accumulated enough gems, they can then spend these on fun items in the Koala Go playground store. Now, the final type of reward you'll notice here is the dice tool. Personally, I don't really consider this a reward, more a useful teaching tool. Essentially, this opens up a simple dice function which you can use either in the whiteboard, in the co-browser, or in Playground. Simply click to roll the dice and show a number. This is fantastic when you're playing fun games. Like you can see on the whiteboard here, I've just loaded up a fun space-themed board game. So you can roll the dice and then move some counters around the board in order to play the game with your students. You may also find this helpful when gamifying some of the Abridge Academy lesson activities. For example, you can number things on the slides and then roll the dice to pick a random item. So there we go, lots of fun ways to reward your students throughout your Abridge Academy lessons in Koala Go.